Oh, yeah, I'm in a hurry. I am rushing today. I just picked up my order, my BOPUS order. Plus, I used 3 rewards on some items. But I'm gonna have to come back and show y'all in a little bit because I gotta get back to work. Yes. So yeah, I gotta hurry up and get back to work. I just had to pick up my order because it's been here for a couple of days. And I think today was like the last day. Shout out to those people who just wanted to be in the vlog, y'all. Shout out to them. So yeah, I gotta head back to work. First, I gotta head back home and then go back to work. And then I'll just show y'all this real quick. I'm out of breath because I'm walking super fast. At least trying to walk fast. But yeah, I have another BOPUS order to pick up tomorrow. I just don't have time to get it today. So yeah, I did a little mini walkthrough. Woo. I did a little mini walkthrough, y'all. The tropical collection is so nice. Wow, I really, really like it. And y'all already know I'm crazy about that Cocoa Paradise as well. And I think that was the store scent, was the Cocoa Paradise. Oh, it smells so good. And they do have like the 3 wicks in the store now, but I did not grab one. I didn't grab one. I'm gonna try to grab that on the next sale. I'm almost to the car, but I'm probably gonna come back later to show y'all what I got, my order. It's not a lot, but I'll come back. Yes, Cocoa Paradise is everything. I just love the new Florissant. It is so nice, y'all. And again, y'all gonna keep on hearing me talk about this Cocoa Paradise because I love coconut. And y'all gonna hear me say that a couple of times in this video because this is my season. This is my time. So I'm just totally in love with all of this tropical stuff. These flowers, the palm trees, the coconut scent, the beachy vibe. Loving it. I am loving it. And look at the packaging. They really, really, really did an amazing job with this collection. This season, they did so good. The packaging, the labels, everything looks so nice. I'm tempted to buy some of the stuff that's repackaged because I just love the jars. I love this collection. I love the bright colors. I love the whole beach theme. They did good. The body care sale was really, really nice to try some of these new releases, you know, because the price point is getting a little bit expensive. So a lot of this stuff you can't use rewards on. So a lot of those high dollar items like the $17.95 stuff or the $18.95 stuff, this past weekend was the time to grab those things. This neutral collection, I was surprised to see this in the store because I thought it was online only. So I was a little shocked to see this in store. Actually, an associate told me that it was test market only. But getting to these bags, y'all, these bags is a pass. It's a pass for me. Now, they'd be nice to use as like a cosmetic bag. You know, if you like crossbody bags, you want a smaller bag, yeah, it's cute. But for me, this is not my style. So, yeah, it's a pass. Okay, y'all. Now I finally got a little time where I could do the haul. this was the body care sale items. That's what I got. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got really quick. Something I was super excited about. If y'all don't know, the body care sale was $5.95, I think. I think it was $5.95 or $5.50, somewhere up in there. But I really wanted this golden mango lagoon. Yes, I really wanted this. This is mango, saltwater woods, and coral blossoms. Yes, so this was one of the items that I got. Let's see what it smells like. I hope it's giving me like a lot of mango, because y'all know your girl do love mango. I love mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. Love the sprayer on this. Love the little, love that. That's nice. Yes, it's giving me mango. This is nice. Mango, more like a citrus like mango. This is nice. This is nice. I like it. But will it go with some of my other fragrances? I don't know. So I'm not feeling this to be worn like on a regular day. Now, I most definitely will wear this alone, like if I'm just around the house chilling or something like that, you know. But as far as like wearing it out, my everyday scent, going out about, I don't usually buy these fragrances for that. I usually buy them to kind of blend them with other perfumes. I usually wear these more like a body scent versus more of a clothes scent or whatever. Wearing this, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's giving me mango, but it's kind of giving me a slightly citrus scent as well. So I got this. The next one I got, because y'all know your girl love coconut. Coconut might be my #1 favorite scent. I love coconut scent, y'all. I don't know why, but your girl do. So you already know. Cocoa Paradise was right up my alley. So I was super happy that this collection came out. So I did grab the Fine Fragrance Mist, because this was the best time because of the price point. You cannot get this with the rewards. So that was the best time to get it. How much is this one? This one is $16.95, so you can get it with rewards, but this one is $17.95. So you have to wait for a body care sale, or if you want to pay regular price. Just saying, some people like to pay regular price. Me personally, I'm not paying regular price. So this body care sale was a perfect time to grab this scent. And y'all already know neroli, coconut, and sandalwood. This is so good. I'm sure by now everybody has smelled this, but if you haven't, oh my goodness, it is so nice. Coconut. I can most definitely tell somebody has sprayed this one, because it was already pumped up. So as soon as I pressed it down, it instantly sprayed. So somebody sprayed this one. Kind of don't like that, but I know, you know, it happens. Oh, this is good. This is good. A lot of people say that this reminds them of that copper coconut sands. Copper coconut sands or coconut copper sands? Whatever it is. That's coconut scent that came out last year that I was just going crazy about. It does give me that a little bit. It is giving me that same family. So if you love that copper coconut sands or coconut copper sands or whatever it was called, if you love that scent, you will most definitely love this. And then the packaging, everything. This whole, when I went into the store, y'all, I love this whole tropical collection. I love the way the store is looking right now, y'all. It is so nice with the tropicals, the bright colors. I'm really feeling the Easter collection, even though I'm probably not going to buy anything from the Easter collection, but the store looks so good. And then I went to one of my smaller stores where I got this order from. It's a small store, but so I'm kind of anxious to go to one of my bigger stores to see what that store looked like, because that small store, good job, y'all. Oh, it looks so good, so good. The tropical, the little decor they got it looked good. And then they had the Cocoa Paradise as the store scent. Baby, store smelling good. You hear me? So I'm gonna have to grab a wallflower in this Cocoa Paradise, because when I tell you that store was like, you know what, now that I think about it, I don't even think that store I don't think they do the oil. I think that store do candles, because I think somebody is allergic or it's too strong for them or something. I think they do candles at that store. So I'm just here to tell y'all, this is a must. If you love coconut, this is a must-have. I'm just saying, y'all. I'm just saying. This is a must-have. If you're a coconut fan like me, you will really enjoy this. And I know I'm dragging it, but oh well. I love coconut. This is my season. This is my season. So most of the time, all my hauls is most definitely going to be drawn out. I'm just saying. So these were the only 2 fine fragrance mists I got. I used one reward on a single wick candle, and I think this is Mango Mai Tai. Yes, Mango Mai Tai. I love this joy. The label is so nice. I normally skip on this, but I don't think this has been out for a while. I don't think this came out last year. I don't think. But I don't have it in a single wick. I know I have a 3 wick, but I know I don't have many of those. So it was free. Love the new packaging, that tropical packaging, the palm trees. Love it. Hands down, best collection. Best time to go to Bath and Body Works is now. The store decor is top tier for me. Yes, top tier. If you had to ask me, if I had to give my opinion, if I had to rate the store decor, top tier. So nice. So nice. So I did get this, y'all. Yes. And again, it's just your mango scented candle. What is it? Mango nectar, jasmine, and what does that say? Grapefruit. Sorry, y'all. These are not prescription glasses. These are just my Ray-Ban stories. If y'all probably can't even see the lens. Has cameras inside the glasses. I could record as well as take pictures. So these are not prescription glasses, but they do transition the lens. So yeah. But anyway, super nice. So these were the only 3 things I got. But when I went into the store, they had that neutrals collection. Had to try it. I've been waiting for this collection, because y'all know I love just about everything that comes in that neutral collection. So they had the Cologne mist. I got aloe and palm. If it's like that candle, I really like the aloe and palm candle, even though it doesn't say that it have aloe in it, but I just kind of like the vibe of it. Yes, this is nice. This is nice. It's, even though these are, I think these supposed to be like neutral or unisex fragrances, this is giving me a fresh scent, but it's still giving me like a slightly masculine scent. Most definitely could be worn by anybody, but it's giving me more of a masculine, like a fragrance that a guy will wear. I don't know. This is nice. And I'm gonna have to try it more. I forgot the little strips The next one I got is mahogany coconut, y'all. Yes, yes, yes. I love this scent in basically everything. Candle, wallflower, room spray. So when they came out with this collection, I knew I had to have it. Now, hopefully it give me the same thing that the candles and all that stuff give me. If not, I'm gonna be highly disappointed because I do love this scent. And I just put lotion on my hands, y'all. So that's the reason why these things are a little hard. So let's see. Is it still giving me that same scent that I get from the room spray? Yes, it is. This is good. I love this. This is most definitely unisex. If you're a guy and you don't like those deep scents, you don't like those woody scents, you like more of a fresh, not too sweet, this is good. But again, you have to like coconut because yes, I do smell the coconut in this one. I'm dragging this. I should have been done. Okay, and the last one I got is bamboo and surf. And I don't know if I said this or not, but I did get all of these free with rewards because the price point is $15.95, and y'all know the rewards you could get up to $16.95. So I got all three of these free. Let's see. Let's see what this gives us. I don't know about this one too much. Greenery. That's what I'm smelling like. I don't know. I have to spray something. I guess it's a good thing they did give me this paper. Let me spray this. Yeah, it's giving me like green, like not necessarily pine, but just green, but still fresh. This one might be my least favorite. I'm gonna have to see about these. So those were all the things I got. Like I said, I got all three of these free with rewards. Price point is $15.95. So if you have some extra rewards and you want to try this collection, because I don't believe that, hey, this one is leaking. Yes, I don't think they ever came out with these cologne mists before. I think this is the first time. They did come out with the C.O. Bigelow fine fragrance mist, but I think those were called something else. I can't remember. I will post a picture because I do still own one of those. So yeah, that's not bad. Free, you can't go wrong with free. So yeah, I got these. That was everything that I got. Leave in the comments, let me know, have you tried these cologne mist? What did you buy from the body care sale? Leave that down in the comments. And also, y'all, let me know, what do you think about the store decor? Top tier, if you ask me. What do you think about the whole tropical collection, the Easter collection? Leave all that down in the comments, y'all. And don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up. Again, leave me comments, hit the notification bell. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick on Instagram, of course, because all that stuff do help, y'all. Also, shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you, thank you, thank you for always holding your girl down. Always got my back. Always watching whatever I put out. I truly, truly appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for always having my back. Thank you. So I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Yeah, I'm going to see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.